Hi, my name is Robert Hetzler, and thank you for visiting our Quadro site today. You know, I'm often asked, Robert, will the amount that we receive be taxable? And the short answer is no, as long as you roll that over into another retirement vehicle. In a divorce setting, any amounts that's received or transferred, as long as it's put into some other type of retirement vehicle, then it won't be taxable. If it's a plan where you are allowed to take out proceeds, then that portion of it would be taxable. And if it's a qualified plan, there would be an exception to it in the IRS code that allows you to be penalty free. So you wouldn't have to pay a tax penalty necessarily on that if it's a qualified plan, but you would have to pay the taxes, and most time the plan administrator is going to withhold 20%. Again, it depends, but if once we're engaged, if you have specific questions about it, we'll be happy to talk about your specific situation. But in general, retirement division as part of a divorce is a non-taxable event. Again, I hope that answers your questions, and I look forward to serving your Quadro needs in the future.